Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise X, and this is episode 101. Not Dalmatians, but Yakety-Yaks. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. Jacinta does too. We read the questions. There's a lot of questions. We take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, and we put them here for you so you get the information nice, quick, and easy. So on today's episode, we're talking about room keys for each other's room, pineapples. Do I need a hairdryer? That's not your cheese, it's my cheese. And water aerobics. Alright, question one. This cruiser is traveling with family for the first time and they're wondering if they're able to get keys to each other's cabins. I don't know why you want to do that. A little weird. What if you're doing something and you get out of the shower, you're walking around butt naked and somebody else walks in with a key? I don't know if I like that idea. But John said, yeah, indeed you can. You do need to go to guest services and they will provide you with a key only card. So you can't go to the bar, can't go to the casino, you can't do anything with it but open a room. We know this because on the last cruise, me and Liz were on, we walked out, we got a quarter of the way down the hallway, the door clicked, and I went, oh, I don't have my key. She goes, I don't have my key either. We're like, crap. So we were blue cards for a cruise. It was kind of cool. So yes, you can absolutely get them. Question two. This cruiser wanted to know if it's true that pineapples are no longer allowed as stateroom decorations. Hot topic. John said that door decorations must be family oriented. So yeah, pineapples are fine, but if you flip them upside down, I don't know. The kid walks by, goes, why is it upside down? It fell. It's a tired pineapple. It's taking a nap. I don't know. I don't care either. But they're not banning them, but I don't know. He also said they need to be flame retardant. Who checks that? Right? Let me light this on fire. Nope, bad pineapple. Nope, bad pineapple. Ooh, this one didn't burn. We're going to put it on the door. Anyway. So, if you like having pineapples on your door, they have to be family-friendly pineapples. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you like cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. All right, now on to question three. This cruiser wanted to confirm that all ships have hair dryers on them so they don't have to pack one. John said, well, yes, they do. With the exception of the Paradise and the Elation. On these ships, I was about to say chips and salsa. That's the wrong question. On these ships, you wouldn't need to ask your stateroom attendant for a hairdryer. So just the Elation and the Paradise don't have them, but you can still get them from your stateroom attendant. All right, question four. This cruiser requests that they put nacho cheese, yummy, on the late night buffet. It would go excellent with the chips and salsa. See, that was a part of the question. I got ahead of myself. And would also work for the chili dogs. Do you dip the chicken nuggets in? I mean, hell, it's nacho cheese. Johnson thanked them for writing, and although he couldn't make any promises, he will share it with the chefs because he agreed. This is a great idea, and so do I. It's nacho cheese. It's cheese. You can put it on anything. It's like bacon in liquid form. You can't dip into bacon, but you can put the cheese on anything. Yeah, I like cheese, nacho cheese specifically. I do think that is a great question and a great request. I would love to see that on the late night buffet because the pizza sucks. Just me. All right, last question. This cruiser wanted to know if the cruise line ever used to have water aerobic classes and if they would consider them in the future. John said they used to have them and many years ago, and when him and his wife actually worked on the ships together. So that was a long time ago. The number of complaints they had when asked folks to get out of the swimming pool to allow the class is one reason they didn't do them anymore. And I guess participation was down as well. So they have to close down one of the Lido deck pools to do water aerobics. Nobody liked that. He will share it with the Bears, however, to see if maybe it's something they can bring back. I don't know. Me, I'm not doing it. Casino's open, I'm there. I'm not in the pool doing water aerobics. Oh wait, no, it's synchronized swimming. Never mind. Anyway, thanks for watching. That was episode 101 of Yakety-Yak. Please take care.